Yousician versus Ultimate Guitar. Which app should guitarists use? Choosing the right guitar app can seriously influence how quickly you improve and how much you enjoy practicing. Yousician and Ultimate Guitar are two of the most widely used platforms for guitar players, but they serve very different purposes. Yousician focuses on interactive lessons and real-time feedback, while Ultimate Guitar is best known for its vast library of tabs, chords, and community-shared resources. This comparison breaks down how each app works, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs as a guitarist. Yousician is an interactive guitar learning app that offers lessons, exercises, and song-based practice with real-time feedback. The app listens as you play and scores your performance, helping you see where you need to improve instantly. Lessons are structured around technique drills, music theory, and popular songs, all presented in a gamified, engaging format. Yousician adapts to your skill level as you progress, making it great for beginners to intermediates who enjoy interactive learning and want a guided path to improve core skills. Its fun and motivating interface makes consistent practice easier. Ultimate Guitar is a comprehensive platform built around one of the largest collections of guitar tabs and chords available. It's widely used by guitarists of all levels to find accurate transcriptions of songs, chord progressions, and user-generated arrangements. Ultimate Guitar also offers features like interactive tabs, playback, tempo control, and a community rating system that helps surface high-quality content. While it doesn't provide structured lessons or real-time feedback, like Yousician, its massive song library and learning tools make it a go-to resource for learning songs, exploring techniques, and deepening your repertoire. Ultimate Guitar is ideal for players who want a massive song library and flexible tools to learn or reference music at their own pace. Feature comparison. Yousician and Ultimate Guitar serve different purposes for guitarists. Yousician offers structured, interactive lessons and instant feedback, making it a solid choice for learners focused on building skills step by step. Ultimate Guitar provides access to a massive library of tabs, chords, and community-rated content, ideal for players who want to learn songs, find arrangements, and explore music at their own pace. Your choice depends on whether you want guided learning or powerful song learning tools. Final thoughts. If you want an app that teaches guitar fundamentals with engaging lessons and feedback, Yousician is a great option. If your priority is access to an extensive catalog of tabs and chords with tools to learn songs you love, Ultimate Guitar is extremely useful. Both apps are valuable for guitarists. The best one for you depends on your goals, whether that's structured learning or song-focused exploration.